Good day, ma'am. So, my name is Abigail Ann Balandres. So, the poem that I chose is the Canto de Maria Clara. So, Canto de Maria Clara is a poignant poem by Dr. Jose Rizal. It appears in his seminal novel Noli Me Tangere, which addressed the social justice and colonial oppression under Spanish rule in the Philippines. Through his poem, Rizal gives voice to Maria Clara, a central character associated by the struggle of Filipino women and the border fight for freedom. So, itong Canto de Maria Clara ay isinulat ni Dr. Jose Rizal noong sinulat niya ang novel na Noli Me Tangere. So, isinulat ni Dr. Jose Rizal itong Canto de Maria Clara dahil ina-address niya dito yung social injustice and colonial oppression under the Spanish rule dito sa Pilipinas. So, the novel of the Canto de Maria Clara ay nagre-reflect po siya kay Maria Clara ng deep emotional struggles and especially for her love para kay Crisostomo Ibarra. Pinapakita rin dito yung pagiging sacrifice or pagsasacrifice ng isang babae sa society. Yung buong laman po ng Canto de Maria Clara ay nag-represent po siya ng hope, faith, sadness, and suffering caused by colonial rule. So, moreover, pasok naman tayo sa background. So, dito sa may background ng poem na ito ay nare-represent ko po si Maria Clara at si Dr. Jose Rizal. So, the second poem that I chose is the Himno a Talisay. So, dito sa Himno a Talisay is nare-represent niya yung city of Talisay doon sa Dapitan kung saan siya na-exile noong year 1892 to 1896. So, dito sa Himno a Talisay is nare-represent niya yung spirit, history, and appreciation of the Talisay community. Nare-represent niya yun dahil sa heritage ng Talisay. So, Talisay is rich on cultural and historical background, instilling a sense of pride among its residents. Which means, yung nandoon sa Talisay ay mababait na mga tao dahil sa kanilang ugali. It emphasizes the strength of community, encouraging collaboration and togetherness among the people of Talisay. So, yun na nga, meron silang unity and communication doon sa Talisay na wala sa ibang lugar. So, the lyrics often express hope for a brightened future, focusing on progress and development for the city and its people. So, nakafocus ang poem na ito doon sa pag-progress and pag-develop ng city and ng people doon sa Talisay. Hindi lang nagsisymbolize ng community spirit and aspiration yung poem na ito. Nagsisymbolize din siya ng unity and pride ng tao doon sa Talisay. the last poem that I choose is the Me Retiro, or in English is My Retreat. So, Me Retiro is a reflective poem by Dr. Jose Rizal written during his exile in Dapitan. So, isinulat ito ni Dr. Jose Rizal noong time na nandoon siya sa Dapitan kung saan siya na-exile. So, it offers deep insight into Rizal's thoughts on nature and the meaning of life. So, isinulat niya ito dahil doon sa kanyang insight na meron siyang insight na about sa nature and yung kung ano ba yung meaning ng life sa kanya. So, My Retreat, referring to Rizal's time away from the chaos of society and his longing for peace and contemplation. So, isinulat ni Dr. Jose Rizal ito nung time na malayo na siya sa chaos or malayo na siya sa parang something na sakuna like that or sa mga problema. Ganun. And isinulat niya ito dahil gusto niya magkaroon ng peace. So, Rizal expresses his appreciation for the beauty of nature. So, sinulat niya itong My Retreat dahil na-appreciate niya yung beauty ng nature or yung beauty ng life na meron siya doon sa Dapitan. So, My Retreat is nagre-represent siya ng malalim na pagmamahal sa kanyang bayan.